Hello everyone and welcome back to this peaceful, magical morning sunrise practice. The conditions are absolutely perfect for this one and I thoroughly enjoyed this flow, so I hope you do too. We'll be moving slowly and with intention, and I'll be speaking minimally to allow you to have your own freedom within the practice. So first we're going to begin with a bit of breath linking. Rounding the back, lowering the hands, and inhaling, lifting the arms, opening the chest a bit. Exhale, rounding the back, gaze shifts down. Inhale, scoop the air up, lift the gaze. Keep this going. Again, make this your practice. Make it lovely and flowy, make it feel good. Gently wake the body up. Good, last one. This time reach the hands up, interlace the fingers, find the Kali Mudra, and open the shoulders. Press those hands away. Exhale, bring the hands behind your back, interlace the fingers or hook the thumbs and open the chest again. From here, release the clasp, bring the arms forward, lower down into an extended child's pose. Enjoy this child's pose, maybe even add a little bit of a forehead massage against the mat. Next, inhale, roll up to tabletop, taking it ever so slow. And tuck the toes under, lift the hips up into your first downward dog. Find some space, walk the hands forwards or backwards. It doesn't have to be the deepest of downward dogs, just make sure it feels supported this morning. Welcome to add a little bit of a pedal. Again, just figure out what your body feels like moving this morning. Now from here, inhale, reach the right leg up and find a bit of movement in your three-legged dog. So alternating between squaring the hips or facing them towards the mat and lifting the leg towards the sky, stacking the hips. Then from here, bring that knee right underneath the hips. Shin comes across or onto the mat, knee on the mat. Lift the back leg, come onto your fingertips. Inhale. And on the exhale, step that left leg forward. Inhale, arms lift up. Exhale, left elbow to left knee. Step the right foot back, extending the leg. And reach the right arm up, then kind of twist open your torso to the right. Good, deep breath. Open that chest. Try and hold your balance. Inhale, both arms lift. Normal crescent lunge. Exhale, hands down. And step the foot back. Lower towards the mat with the knees first. Inhale, lift up to your cobra. And on the exhale, head to your downward dog. Good, heading straight into the other side. Inhale, let's lift the left leg up. Again, alternate between opening the hip and facing it towards the mat, or hold one or the other. And then bring that knee towards the chest, left shin on the mat, lift onto the fingertips, right leg lifts, inhale. On the exhale, we're going to bring the right leg to the outside of the right hand. Inhale, lift up to that shallower low lunge, and then right elbow on the right knee, step or slide the left foot back, extending the leg. Inhale, left arm scoops forward, then to the side, and open the chest to the left. From here, inhale, normal crescent lunge. And exhale, hands down, step back to your plank. Take your flow. This time, maybe heading into upward dog instead of cobra. And shift back, hips up, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts again. Exhale, this time step it all the way forward. And just shift around a little bit in your lizard pose. Right foot should be on the outside of the hands. Then inhale, right arm lifts up, twist towards that right leg. Exhale, hand comes down. Pivot the left heel down, and inhale, left arm lifts up. Exhale, bring the left hand down, and then step the left foot forward. Interlace the fingers, send them through the legs, and inhale, lift all the way up to mountain. Exhale, return to that previous position. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower, squat, hands through the legs. Inhale, lift. Exhale, this time bend the knees, hands come down slowly, and step the right foot back. Add a little bit of movement into your lizard pose again. And then from here, right heel pivots down to the mat. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, right hand down. Inhale, left arm lifts. Exhale, left hand down. And from here, we're going to step the left foot back and option to cross it over the right ankle. This can be more intense on the back, so really be careful. Lower all the way down. And inhale, lift up with the chest for a baby cobra. Very, very gentle. Exhale, hips up, come into a cross-legged downward dog. Good, bring that left foot back into its neutral spot. Take a breath. And then from here, left leg lifts. Inhale. Exhale, step it on the outside of the left hand. Inhale, left arm lifts up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right arm lifts, right heel pivots to the mat. Exhale, lower the hand down, and from here, step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. Interlace the fingers, and again, add a couple of those mountain to squats. Link your breathing. Hold the top and exhale, slowly lower, hands return to the mat. This time the left foot steps back. Left heel pivots to the mat, lift the left arm up. Side angle pose. Left hand down, right arm up, pivot off of the back left heel. Good, right hand comes down. And from here, we're gonna step the right foot over the left ankle. Lower down. Again, this is an option. You do not have to cross the feet. And inhale, lift for your cobra. Be very gentle on the back. Exhale, slowly lift the hips into a cross-legged downward dog. Return the right foot back to its original neutral position. And take a breath. From here, you can even shake the neck out a bit, add some circles. And then walk or hop to the outside of the hands again. Lift the chest up for Malasana. Interlace the fingers. This time, flip the palms, press upwards. And exhale, hands to the side. Inhale, left leg lifts. Twist the upper body to the left and keep the left leg hovered. Arms reach out to the sides. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, step the left foot back, warrior two. From here, inhale back to your mountain position, trying to lift the knee up as you go. And exhale, palms connect to the chest. Lower the foot down. Inhale, take it to the other side. Right leg lifts, twist to the right. Lift the arms up, and on the next exhale, step the foot back, warrior two. Right heel to the mat. Inhale, try and enter that crescent lunge, then step it forward, keeping that knee tucked in. Good job. Walk the feet out to the width of the mat, interlace the fingers again, flip the palms, this time squat it down. Return to your Malasana. From here, left arm reaches up with the inhale, exhale to lower it. Inhale, other side, exhale to lower. Just add a couple little back and forths here. Opening the chest, working into the hips, trying to aim for that lengthened lower back. Then slowly take a seat on the mat. Connect the soles of the feet. Come into bound angle. And take 2 breaths. Option to add a little bit of pressure on the thighs here, or maybe a butterfly. And then slowly keeping hold of the feet if you can. No worries if you can't. Make your way onto your back. From here, keeping hold of the feet for that supine bound angle. Legs stay hovered, but this encourages you to keep the back nice and long. Then either grab the outsides of the feet, the ankles underneath the knees even, and pull the legs to the side, aiming to bring the knees towards the mat, but yet keep them close to your body. Feel free to find some movement here too, maybe extending one leg, rocking side to side. Whatever feels good for you. Then release the legs, just point the feet up towards the sky, bending the knees. And then tuck the knees into your chest, grab over the shins, and bring both legs towards the left. Bring a bend in the right elbow and looking to the right for a spinal twist. Keep those knees higher than your hips. Good, bring both knees through the middle. Take them over to the right. Bring a bend into the left arm this time. And find your spinal twist on the other side. Deep, slow breaths to make sure you're nice and calm for the rest of your day. Good. Bring the knees back into the middle. Connect the palms. Allow the feet to rest onto the mat, but keep a bend in the knees for a variation of shavasana. And take about 3 or 4 deep breaths here. Prepare your body, your mind for the rest of the day, but really focus on enjoying these last few moments of presence and peace. Just focusing on your breath and your senses. If you're ready to come out, reach the arms up overhead. Exhale, make your way up into a seat. And we're going to do 2 bow downs to finish off today. So inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold it down or bring the hands to the chest. Inhale, lift up. This time swap the feet. So bring the other one in front or cross the legs the opposite way. Inhale to lift up and exhale, fold again. Inhale to lift back up, connect the palms, and we'll finish there. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that left you with a fantastic feeling to carry on with the rest of your day. I hope to see you soon.